Check it, check, that's good. Keep checking. Bend your knees, Josh. Move round. That's good, John Paul. Keep working. That's good, John Paul. Actually good, that's good. Just checking the movement, that's it. Nice and tight. It's a wooden knife, but it would be a knife, but it's a wooden knife, of course, for training. Buy yourself one of the metal ones, or lend you one if you can wear the metal knife in. But on the tyre, can do anyway. Probably have tyres instead of bags. Come on, Josh, get in there, come on, get in there, come on. Check it, proper hit now. Proper check it, hard checks, come on, hard checks. Use your blade, you're doing the same thing every time, so move around a bit. I know it's only like your second lesson, but so Matt tackle you tonight. Come on, move around, let's go. Student. Let's go, let's go. Move around, that's it, check, move. Earth grip now, earth grip, change the grip, it's earth. Look to the slash and use the angles again, keep moving. Move around, Dave, with that tyre. You can pass it around and move. That's his target area. It's good. Come on, Josh, move around. Back to Josh now. Go on, Josh, come on, let's go. Come on, Josh, psycho. Come on, Josh, go get in there. Go on, there you go, that's it. Go on, your life might depend on it. You might end up in Afghanistan or Syria, God knows what's going to go off. Keep going, let's go, come on. Might be drafted in the army, mate. They don't drop nuclear bombs or blow up with artillery, you might go to empty hand. Or even, or might even empty hand, but blade. Come on, blade, let's go. I taught military lads and they ended up going to the blade, I'll tell you now. Blade and pistol in tunnels. Yes, we were like that, fighting in Afghanistan. After Al-Qaeda, and it was down to the knife. And pistol. And when the pistol runs out, you've got the blade. Unless you drop the blade, it doesn't run out. If you snap the blade, you've still got some of the blade there. Hopefully. It shouldn't snap actually if you do a decent blade. Keep working. That's good, that's very good. Especially modern carbon steel. Okay, that's good. Work. That's very good. Okay, time, change partner.